Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, that's right. I got another Gerber product in the shop. I know. You guys are so shocked. Yes, I firmly admit I'm a Gerber junkie. But anywho, go ahead and stay past that intro, and we're going to check out what came. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now for those of you wonderful guys out there who have yet to subscribe to my channel like the cool kids do, please go ahead and take a moment of your day and go ahead and click on that subscribe link. If I'm looking at the screen right, I believe they're going to have them somewhere over there on your little either tablet or laptop, wherever you're viewing. Now, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look today at the Gerber One Flip, which makes me giggle because, well, yeah. It has problems with one flip. So I'm going to have to loosen it up, clean it up, and do everything. This literally came in the mail like 20 minutes ago. Now, I will tell you, the reason I bought it is I really like how the handle looks. The scales look. I thought that was phenomenal. I thought with it being paired up with the rose color on the blade, it made a neat, interesting, everyday carry blade. Not one I want to be trapped at sea with, but for everyday carry, for everyday little tasks like cutting cardboard, cutting paper, opening envelopes, I love it. I mean, I seriously do. It came pretty centered, as you can see. Now, for all the fun stuff, it's got an overall length of 7.7 inches. The blade is 3.2. Enclosed, it's 4.5 inches. It's got a little bit of a weight to it at 4.88 ounces. Now here's the part where I went, okay, yeah, great Gerber, but the price, I get it. The blade steel's 5CR 15 MOV. I know, crap steel, but great for everyday carry. Surprisingly with Gerber, I was able to find it with a plain edge. It's got a hollow grind, and it's done in the drop point style that I personally love. Now the handle is green textured anodized aluminum. So that's what's, to me, adding a bit of the weight to it. Those aluminum scales bolted on the sides. It's got a stainless steel frame. And the part I thought was kind of cool is the handles can also come in blue. Now, as you saw a moment ago, it has a liner lock. It's got dual thumb studs, as I mentioned earlier. Now, even though it says it's supposed to be one flip to get it open, I know it's still in its break-in process from Gerber, and you guys out there have gotten a Gerber blade that does not have assisted opening tech, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, so I'm going to work on that a while. If I have to, I'm going to open it up and give it a good cleaning and oil it up a bit and see if that makes a bit of a difference. It has one position pocket clip and you can only carry it tip up. Now, like those of you who've watched my channel before, all right, there's your Gerber logo, but no made in Portland. So this guy's made in China. No biggie. Now let's see how it holds up to some paracord. Ooh, not good. Not good. Got to pull that through. It should have just popped it. Maybe I was holding it wrong. Okay, so let's see. Not really good on slicing. It almost went all the way through. Yeah. So that means it needs to be sharpened up a little and probably stropped. I don't know. I'm having some success, some failures. But, like I said, the reason I got it, just the way it looks. Now, you know, like other big name channels do, who should buy it? Whoever the hell wants to carry it. You know, who am I as a YouTuber to tell you not to buy a product because, well, maybe you want to carry it on an airplane. Well, God, I wouldn't recommend that, but sorry, that was a bad example. Wow. You know, maybe you want to carry it when you go camping. Maybe you want to carry it to your job. Maybe you want to carry it elsewhere. If you like it, buy it. You know? All right, we took a look at the costs on this guy in 3 different areas. Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $27.95. Over on Gerber, it's $37. And on Amazon, it's 33 bucks and 14 cents with free shipping. Now, the rating on this guy, and I get this, on Blade HQ, it got 2.5 stars out of 5. You saw some little difficulties I had, not to mention without using the dual thumb studs, just getting her open. You know, for something being called a one flip, it should open a heck of a lot easier than what it did. Gerber got 3 out of 5, and over on Amazon, it got 3.4 out of 5. But that's it, guys. This is my overall tabletop look at, you know, the Gerber One Flip. Oh, wait, let me see something. Okay. I can take that with that liner lock. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view the insanity that is my channel. Now, for you cool kids that forgot to do it in the very beginning of the video, a little symbol's going to pop up right there. That's going to lead you right to subscribe. After you hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and nail that bell icon that's right next to it. That way you're going to be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Gerber One Flip. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an enjoyable rest of your day.